Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 9 divided by 3 divided by 9 divided by 9. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have 3 divisions. And as we know, when we have more than one division in one expression, we have to work from left to right. So first this division, then this division, and finally this division. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. So we have 3 divided by 9 and again divided by 9. 3 divided by 9 can be written as 3 over 9. So 3 over 9 divided by 9. Now 3 divided by 3 gives us 1 and 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. So we have 1 over 3 divided by 9. And now, according to the KCF rule, keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. We can write 1 over 3, then times 1 over 9. And this is equal to 1 over 3 times 9, which equals 27. So our final answer to this problem is just 1 over 27.